How I use buses in AUM to punch in samples and effects over the music, like this.
Rare Beta.
In the first two videos of this series, I showed you how to do this technique on the SP404 Mark II and then Koala, but with AUM, things work a little bit differently. Since we have actual channels here, we could just assign a mute or solo to the desired channel, but that's kind of basic and limits what we can do. And AUM gives us way more bus options, so we can take this technique further. Step 1. Set up your music and sample channels. On the left, I have a channel titled SP/Force. This is where I'm bringing in audio from the SP404 Mark II and my Akai Force. They're running into each other and then into that input. And as you can see here on this first channel at the top, we see USB. That's going to be my audio interface that runs to a music bus that I created. And I'll open it up and show you here. You have three options. You can do hardware, external apps, or AUM built-in mix buses. It goes all the way from A to P. So you have a lot of mix bus options here. And I created three. We have music bus and the sample bus, which are going to run parallel. And then they both combine to run into this main bus. This channel next to it here, we have Koala right here acting as our sampler, which you can see to the right here. And this is where I have some samples loaded up and I can trigger the samples from here. And then I had to create three more tracks to finish the routing. So we have the sample bus running into this main bus that I created, bus C, and the music bus also running into main bus. And then they combine over here to main bus, which then runs to my audio interface output, which runs to the speakers or whatever your output is. Step 3, assign mute to music bus. Tap the menu in the top right and click MIDI control. From here, you'll want to select your channel that has your music bus. Click channel controls, mute, and then learn. Press the key you wish to assign on your MIDI controller, and you should see the channel and CC number populate on the left of this tab. Also, make sure to make your MIDI assignments for whatever you're using to trigger your samples inside of its software. And that's